I'm awful, I know, you always told me that you got some cold feet. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Cold Feet by Boywithuke. This is one of his unreleased songs, and I got all these chords just from listening and watching his little minute-long version. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope it helps. So finally, we have an easier song to learn. So if you're a beginner at ukulele, this is going to be super fun for you because there's no bar chords. Well, there could be one if you want to play it, but you could play it the way that's not a bar chord. But we'll get to that when we get to the chords. But first, I want to say thank you guys for requesting this song, and thank you for always watching my tutorials and supporting my channel. And if you want to support me some more, you can like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and if you want to check out my own music, I have a Spotify. I'm Tiny Tulips right now, but I'm trying to change to JWillyGuy, and I have my first album coming out New Year's. So yeah, if you want to check out what kind of songs I'll have, I have some minute-long acoustic versions, a little playlist here or wherever. Anyway, let's get to the tutorial. Okay, so like I said, this song has 4 chords and they're super easy, so let's go ahead and get started. The first one is a D, which is these top 3 strings on the 2nd fret. I like to just put one finger on each of them, and it sounds like this. The second chord is an A, which is your pointer finger on the 1st fret 2nd string, middle finger on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. The chord after that is an F sharp minor, which is just like the A, so you leave these 2 fingers here, but you put your ring finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. And the final chord is an E, which is the one that you could play like a bar. If you want to play the barred one, you bar the 2nd fret and then put your finger on these top 3 strings on the 4th fret. If you're running away from bar chords and you're scared, I understand. They are kind of weird when you've never done them. You can play E just like this, which is your pointer finger, top string 1st fret, middle finger, bottom string 2nd fret, and pinky on the 2nd string of the 4th fret. Notice it sounds exactly the same because they're both E's. So whichever one you want, you could do it. And yes, you probably could have guessed it if you've seen other Boywithuke songs. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up. So nice and slow. Down, down, up, down, up. Just get used to practicing that, and you can play almost every one of his songs. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right, so far for the whole song, since it's not released yet, it sounds like he just does that strumming pattern the whole time and the same 4 chords in the same order that I showed you. So the song basically sounds like this right now. I don't know if he's going to change it when he actually releases it, but so far it sounds like this, starting with D, then A, F sharp minor, and then E. And you just go through those 4 chords over and over again. Just down, up, once on each chord. So let's go ahead and try to sing a little bit of this unreleased song. Oh, I know, I said I'm sorry, but I won't let go. Oh, don't leave me lonely. I'm awful, I know, you always told me that you got some cold feet. Yeah, I know, I said I'm sorry. I hope you go, just don't forget about me. Yeah, I know, my hands are dirty, your eyes seem blurry. I'm sorry about your cold feet. I said I'm sorry about your cold feet. Well, I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Cold Feet by Boywithuke. This one, if it sounds anything like this when he releases it, it's probably going to be one of my top favorite ones in his new album. So I hope you guys liked it, and I hope this tutorial helps you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.